today?
What are we working on, kid?
We're working on thingy thing.
A thingy thing.
Because I don't know what this thing is called because I forgot what it's called. Okay?
It is the clutch hub assembly for my motorcycle.
Oh yeah.
And I'm trying to press these pins out so I can replace the starter gear. The issue is, you can see it's cockeyed. Here, line up. You see how crooked that got?
Yeah.
Right there, it's no longer level, so I gotta
crooked.
back it on out. Try again.
You know what? 1 minute.
And so I got it. Here.
Thanks.
All right, kiddo. So we're gonna turn.
Okay, this is much more
turn it.
easier.
Trying to find a nice spot for it to go, so it'll go down and straighten up as it goes. That's my problem. Is everything seems to be pretty mobile. So as I compress this, everything kicks off at an angle.
See this guy?
I see no guys.
He is crooked. Oh, he just got lifted a bit. Okay.
Okay, I'll give it another go. And
Oops, sorry.
that's what happens when it's not squared up and the videographer gets distracted by a squirrel, even though there are no squirrels.
You mean the thing that's right beside her, which is a TV.
Got distracted by a TV, even though it's not on.
Yeah,
Alright.
that's me. I find it's distracting for everything if I want to or not.
Okay. Maybe a little closer. Twist it. Huh. Alright. Here we go. It's moving.
Good. Oh, there's the bubbly stuff.
A little bit of lubricant.
And I say bubbly because it's bubbly. As you can see, it's bubbly. Also, if this video is weird, that's because our editor isn't really doing anything today.
Yep. Just destroyed it.
And that's more cracks than the last time, Dad.
Mm-hmm. Yep, this ruined.
We had more success than last time. Look at all this crap. This time, this one, look. So he puts it in there, and then it goes up and down, and this is what it does. It goes down.
There.
He does that. Okay. Now when he twisted this thing, I think it goes up. When he twisted it, this thing, it goes up.
We got the pin out.
Okay. Okay. Look, I'm gonna show him it. Okay. Pin. There it is. Also, this whole thing is magnetic, so you can stick magnetic things on here. So, yeah.
So yeah.
Also, this is our new tiny hammer, which I love because I love tiny things. And here are the cracks. Here's the cracks from last time. You might see a little line.
You see the first one's didn't crack. Here, no crack.
That's the
Here, no crack.
first ones.
Don't remember how that happened.
And then on our first videoed one, can I
It
show you?
cracked.
Yeah.
And then the second one cracked. Now we're gonna go for fourth. So let's set it up. You can turn the video off.
Okay, bye.